Hi, welcome to our video about the Pardot Lightning app, also known as the Account Engagement Lightning app for account engagement only users. So we're going to talk about the difference between Pardot versus the Lightning app. On the left-hand side of my screen, you'll see a screenshot of Pardot when accessed via pi.pardot.com. This is where you can log into Pardot as a standalone platform using your Salesforce credentials. What you'll notice is that the navigation for this platform is on the left-hand side in a blue bar. In there, we've got different icons that take us to four main areas of Pardot: our marketing area, our prospect area, our reports area, and our admin area. You can access different areas depending on your user role. Next, on the right-hand side, we've got the account engagement, also known as Pardot Lightning app. What you'll notice is that this app is inside of Salesforce. We can tell that because of the app launcher, which is the 9 dots in the top left of the screen. The big difference here is that the navigation is across the top bar of the app. So on our screenshot, we're looking at the Pardot dashboard tab, and that is showing us the same screen as what we would see in pi.pardot.com. But the main difference is that we've got our navigation items across that top bar there instead of on the left-hand side. We also have more tabs available to us than we do in pi.pardot.com. And that's because things are separated out a little bit more in the Lightning app for quicker and easier navigation. Next, I'm going to give you a demo of the Pardot Lightning app so that you can get to grips with this new experience if you've recently got access to. So if I go into Salesforce, I can tell I'm in the Pardot Lightning app because it says Pardot in the top left-hand corner. You can make sure that you're in the right app by clicking on the app launcher and selecting Pardot from the drop-down. If you don't have this, make sure you speak to your admin to make sure that you've got the permissions to see this app. When clicking on Pardot, it will always take us to the Pardot dashboard as the default view. And as you can see, this is exactly the same as what we would see in pi.pardot.com. We have our prospect table and our calendar, and we also have any notifications across the top that we might need to see. Next, we've got the prospect tab. If I click into here, what this will show us is our prospect table, as well as leads, contacts, visitors, as well as segmentation and prospect accounts. This allows us to see more data than if we were in pi.pardot.com. As we're in Salesforce, we can also view leads and contacts. Next, we have the Automations tab. Clipping into here will give us access to Engagement Studio, automation rules, page actions, and segmentation lists. This is where we can find all of our automation tools within Pardot. Next, we've got the Pardot Email tab. Clicking on here will give us access to our email templates, as well as our list emails that we might have in draft, scheduled, or sent status. We can also access our email tests, so this is our render tests, and we can find our preferences page, unsubscribe page, and we can still click through to Engagement Studio and segmentation lists from this tab as well. Next, we've got the Email Templates tab. This refers to the new Lightning Builder. So from here, we can actually create a new email template in the Lightning experience. More on this on another video. Check out our blog for more details. We have the same with the Email Content tab. So these are the emails that we actually send using that Lightning Builder experience. Next, we've got the Content tab. This is where we can find our forms, form handlers, layout templates, landing pages, any multivariate tests that we have of our landing pages, as well as custom redirects, dynamic content, snippets, files, folders, including all our folder structure, tags, our social media posts, and any search setup we have as well. So this is a great tab to navigate to if you're doing a campaign, for example, and you need to build your assets for it. Next, we've got the landing pages tab. And this refers to the Lightning landing page builder. Again, please check out our blog for more information. Next, we have the Pardot Reports tab, and this shows us all of the same reports that we get in pi.pardot.com. So we have our campaign performance dashboard, and then in the drop-down next to connected apps, we have any of our connectors reporting available to us as well. We also have a conversions report, lifecycle report, and our marketing assets report. This is where we can find things like our open roles audit, our content, such as PDF files, our emails, so list emails, templates, tests, and bouncers, forms, landing pages, and then next we'll have our social. We can also see our opportunity reports and our scoring category reports as well. Next, we have the Reports tab. This is actually Salesforce reporting, so we can access this too with the new permission set. We're able to pull reports on our campaign performance or on our leads and contacts. And finally, we have the Pardot Settings tab, and this shows us all of our account details, as well as key tabs such as the object and field configuration, if you're wanting to map or change the mapping of your fields, connectors, which is where you can find the Salesforce connector to troubleshoot your sync errors. We also have domain management. You can view your exports and imports and find the recycle bin. Thank you for watching our video about how to navigate your way around the Pardot Lightning app. To learn more, go to www.nebulaconsulting.co.uk.